The partnership with IKEA and Auxiliary Business Development first came to my department from a need. On campus, we are growing at an alarming rate, an exponential rate, and we needed help. And my boss encouraged me to reach out to Auxiliary Business Development to see if they might have any ideas to help with the growth that we're seeing here on campus.
IKEA chose to focus on the University of Utah via partnership because we have very similar values. It's important to us to create a better everyday life for the many people.
The goal or need that we were really helping to fulfill was first and foremost the student experience, revolving around move-in as a whole. We wanted that touch point, that very first experience when a student comes to campus, to be special, and we needed help with that.
This is our second year as the official move-in sponsor for the University of Utah. Has really been an incredible journey for us. It's given us the opportunity to support the staff in a way that we never really thought we could before by doing some of the heavy lifting, literally the heavy lifting by moving kids in.
Feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. It's really, really exciting to see the comments that we receive on our Facebook page.
Some of my favorite things are really when parents say, "We're so happy to see you here again this year, knowing that we were here last year. And thank you so much. You've made this so much easier and faster than we could have ever imagined."
One recent expansion that we've seen already come to fruition is IKEA's partnership in helping us decorate a tour room of one of our dorms, which is really, really great. It shows all of the examples that IKEA has to bring in a really great user experience to the student living here on campus.
This opportunity on campus has allowed us to reach students and staff in a way that we never have before.
Working with Auxiliary Business Development has been extremely positive on my end. They have a really unique way of utilizing external partnerships and making them fit with our internal goals and priorities that we have here at the university.
The best part about working with the auxiliary team, the open-mindedness, the open communication, and the ability to bring out-of-the-box ideas and work on them together from both parties to really make sure that it's a great fit for both of us.
I think Auxiliary Business Development brings in a really unique value because they have the ability to speak both languages, both operationally and with corporations, but also via a university perspective.
There are so many avenues we didn't even think we would be a part of and things that we never even imagined doing that we've already done, and we can't wait to see what's next.